Thanks for staying with us. When the economic downturn hit the Bahamas, hundreds of Bahamians lost their jobs, with their household incomes taking a hit, while single mothers seeking child support and maintenance for their children faced increased challenges as economic circumstances changed. According to Thamara Munnings, an attorney specializing in civil litigation, over the past 2 to 2.5 years, attorneys have seen an increase in the number of parents seeking child support. But that was also met with an increase in the number of parents who were unable to pay up. She explains that when the court awards money to a single parent, the other parent is required to either pay on a weekly or monthly basis. But if that parent is unable to pay for any reason, she says the court is usually accommodating.
The court is very mindful of the parents' financial situation. For example, the current economic downturn that we're currently experiencing. You have persons who would have actually initially been awarded a certain amount of monies, and he or she, the father, may not be able to actually currently meet the order that would have been previously made, and that gives room for that person actually can then make an application to the court for variation order.
Single mothers have up to 3 years after the birth of a child to apply for an affiliation order, identifying the man believed to be the child's father. And Munnings says affiliation orders can actually be extended beyond the age of maturity under certain circumstances, for example, when the child wants to pursue higher education. But while the legal system is designed to provide swift justice, Munnings says sometimes the leniency of the courts can lead to larger problems, including the backlog of cases and lack of availability of court dates.
That may probably explain the reason why in some instances there is some delay in the expediency of a person actually being able to have the full amount of monies being paid immediately if the father, the punitive father alleged to be the father, is incapable of doing so due to circumstances beyond his control.
If a parent is capable of paying child support and refuses to do so, the courts have the ability to enforce penalties, including jail time if necessary. And that was a look at what's making news today, but for more